Good day, viewers. You are welcome. Wait, I will solve this problem, but have you tried it? Do you got it? If yes, you can drop the answer in the comment box. And let's see how we solve this problem step by step. Looking at this is a quadratic equations because if we start expanding this one after the other, we get to the point that we have a to the power of 4. But expanding this does not help. We have to apply this simple trick. First is we are going to rearrange. If you consider the solution here, let's try and rearrange this. Suppose I multiplied a minus 1 together with a plus 2. This gives us a squared plus a minus 2. And also, if I multiply a bracket, we have a bracket a plus 1 together. So this gives us a squared plus a. Then looking at this pattern, this is a squared plus a. This is also a squared plus a. If I let t equals a squared plus a, for every a minus 1 multiplied by a plus 2, so this is giving us t minus 2. And whereas we have a bracket a plus 1 as already t. By trying to put this together, we are going to have t bracket t minus 2 equals 9. Make sense? If this is what we get, then if we expand this, then we start solving this quadratically. But there's still another hidden trick here. Suppose I add 1 to both sides. We have t bracket t minus 1 plus 1 equals 9 plus 1. And with all of this, if I expand this, we have this as t squared minus 2t plus 1 equals 10. Then for t squared minus 2t plus 1, we have it as t minus 1 all squared. At this point, you can pause this video, try to expand t minus 1 squared. We see that we get t squared minus 2t plus 1. Then this equals 10. We cannot take the square root of both sides. By squaring both sides, we have t minus 1 equals plus or minus square root of 10. And with this, we have our t equals 1 plus or minus square root of 10. Makes sense? If you watch it to this point and you have gained something, hit the subscribe button so that you can be notified when there is a new video on this channel. Since t equals 1 plus or minus square root of 10, here we have first t. T1 is 1 plus square root of 10. And we have second t, which is 1 minus square root of 10. Then, from where we let a squared plus a equals t, this is our focus. We have to consider the first one, which is at t equals 1. So for t1, we have 1 plus square root of 10. And this gives us a squared plus a equals 1 plus square root of 10. Then you can just apply quadratic formula here, but I'm not going to do that. This is what I will do. At this point, if I add 1 over 4 to both sides, we have a squared plus a plus 1 over 4 equals 1 over 4 plus 1 plus square root of 10. And the whole of a squared plus a plus 1 over 4, which is this, it gives us a plus half raised to power of 2 equals, if we find the LCM here, the whole of this gives us 1 plus 4 plus 4 square root of 10 divided by 4. And if I take the square root of both sides, what we have here becomes a plus 1 over 2 equals plus or minus 1 plus 4, that gives us 5, plus here is 4 square root of 10, but since I've taken the square root, that is why I introduce plus or minus, then divided by square root of 4, that gives us 2. Make sense? Let's take 1 to other side. If I take 1 to both sides, to other side, we have this as minus 1 over 2 plus or minus, we have square root of 5 plus 4 square root of 10 divided by 2. Okay, if I kind of a person like me that need to stress yourself, you can just try and expand square root of 5 plus 4 square root of 10. So you see what you will get. But to me, I prefer peace than violence. So I'm going to leave this answer at this point. So this gives me the result that I need. Then A equals minus 1 plus square root of 5 plus 4 square root of 10 all divided by 2. This is our first solution, and if you see this, we observe that all this one, they are real number. Yeah, they are real number with two different values. So the first one is A equals minus 1 plus the square root of 5 plus 4 square root of 10 divided by 2. And also, we have another A equals minus 1 minus square root of 5 plus 4 square root of 10 divided by 2. Let's solve for the other part that will be more short than this. Then for the second part, we are going to have A squared plus A equals 1 minus square root of 10. Applying the same format, we have A plus 1 over 2 squared equals, we have this as 5 minus 4 square root of 10 divided by 4. This is what we have for this. And by taking the square root of both sides, we have A plus 1 over 2 equals plus or minus the square root of 5 minus 4 square root of 10 divided by 2. With this, we have A equals minus 1 plus or minus the square root of 5 minus 4 square root of 10 divided by 2. But this is complex because 4 minus 4 multiplied by root 10, this gives us around maybe 9. That is minus 9. 5 minus 9 is negative. We have a negative in this root, which shows that this is a complex. We have gotten the four solutions. How do you got your own? Is this answer I got the same thing with yours? If it is, let's drop the answer in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a like, leave a comment, and see you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.